kumita online but hindi mo alam paano at hindi ka tech savvy? Ako na ang bahala. Just watch this video. Sa video na to, explain ko sa iyo ng mabilis how this business works, bakit may refundable registration fee na $149 at anong role mo as a digital business owner. At of course, paano ka kikita. Ako pala si Raham, isang registered nurse here in the UK for 23 long years and also mentor in this incredible business community. I'm so passionate in helping working mom, parents, hardworking nurses, and OFW or anyone who want to reclaim time, financial stability for their family. I say this with so much love because once upon a time, I'm like you, overworked, exhausted, curious, and skeptical. I'm also a wife to Jeffrey and a mom of 2 beautiful teenagers. Akala ko dati pag abroad ka na, may financial stability ka at hindi ka na mamumroblema sa pera. Ay nako, mali pala ako. Lalong dumami ang obligasyon ko. Kahit 2 to 3 job pa, nagkukulang pa rin. Lalo na pag may emergency sa Pinas. Akala ko dati normal lang talaga ang 3 job just to survive. Until one day, nagkasakit ang tatay ko for more than 1 year. In and out sa hospital, I was not ready. I was financially, physically, and mentally drained. That's where I realized I needed a change. I need another source of income that I don't need to sacrifice my family time at time ko sa mga anak ko. In 2024 of February, natagpuan ko ang online business na opportunity na to through a stranger online. And now she is my coach, Coach Lizelle. This is an answer prayer for me. Why? When I found this business, I was on my lowest. And that time, I feel stuck. Para ang lahat naka-autopilot. Trabaho, bahay, padala sa Pinas, waiting for the paycheck, and repeat. And God showed me a hope. And that's the reason I'm sharing this with you. Baka makatulong din po sa inyo. Now, this digital business is a combination of affiliate marketing and franchise model. Design ito ng mga expert for people na sobrang busy na katulad natin pero gusto magkaroon ng extra income online. And perfect din ito sa mga tao na may business na but gusto mag-expand pa at dumagdag. And of course, kung wala ka ding business experience, perfect talaga ito. So, bakit siya combination ng affiliate marketing and franchise? So, let me explain. Affiliate marketing, kikita ka by promoting well-known companies na nag-o-offer ng sobrang ganda na quality, health and wellness products. And these are essential products. Alam niyo ba, according to statistics, ang health and wellness industry expected to reach over $6 trillion by 2025. The reason being is mas marami na tao na nagiging conscious sa kanilang kalusugan and overall well-being. Kaya naman, dito sa program natin, ang main affiliate ay sobrang sikat, sobrang tatag na kumpanya na originated in Japan at over 51 years na sa health and wellness industry. Imagine how long is the credibility ng kumpanya natin, no? In fact, this company may 45 branches in 25 countries around the globe. So, worldwide po ang business natin. So, kung tatag ang pinag-uusapan, 100% po. So, bakit naman franchise model? Kasi mayroon ng ready-made system that includes the personal website, automation tools, at step-by-step training. Pinapamadali nito ang buhay to start and grow your business without the complexity of building everything from the scratch. Gawa na para sa'yo, may system na nasusundan mo lang. So, ngayon pag-usapan natin ang what will be your role as a business owner. I'm sure ang tanong mo ay, kailangan ko ba magbenta o mag-recruit? Ay nako, the good news is, we don't sell the product directly. So, lilinawin ko lang ha, dito sa business na to, may products involved. But hindi po ikaw ang magbebenta. We have an automated system na does it for you. So, ang rule mo lang is to guide those interested people to your automated system. Kasi nga, ang automated system ang mag-handle ng presentation at explain the business model for you. Kaya kung hindi ka magaling magsalita or mag-explain, wala pong problema. Ang galing, di ba? Ang tanong mo ay, paano ko sila i-guide sa automated system? Ay nako, lahat ng yan ituturo sa iyo sa training at magkaroon ka din ng mentor at coach na mag-guide sa iyo o gagabay sa iyo. Hindi mo kailangan i-pressure ang family at friends mo dito. You don't need them. You will learn how to attract leads. Pag sinabi nating leads, they are the people looking and interested na sa business mo. Ang mga tao na to ay naghahanap na talaga ng pagkakitaan online. So, paano mo gagawin yun? Through marketing strategy on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, at marami pa pong iba. Okay? So, ngayon pag-usapan natin on how does this business work. Ganito yon. Once you join, we will provide you with essential tools to start and grow your business. Ang tanong mo ano-ano yun? Yung personal website or funnel, yung marketing training, and automated system. Dito po gagamitin ang bayad mo na one-time registration fee na $149. Alam niyo ba kung magkano sa iba ang ganito na program? The website and automated system alone will cost you $22,000 per year. Hindi po kasali ang marketing training doon. So you can research after ninyo mapanood ang video na to. So, isa-isahin ko po na mabilis ha. Number 1, personal website o funnel. We will build and maintain and manage the website for you, okay? Your website captures the contact information of your leads and introduces them to the business. Yung business website po ang magiging tulay para mag-guide mo ang mga leads or tao sa automated system. Kasi nga, ang automated system ang mag-explain sa kanila ng business on your behalf. Hindi po ikaw. Okay? Number 2, so we will teach you how to run effective campaign to attract the right audience to your website. And number 3, automated system. Sobrang importante to because it does the heavy lifting for you. So ano ang rule ng automated system natin? So if someone sign up on your website, the system explain the business to the customer through a webinar. Kapag nagustuhan nila ang business model natin, they will pay the one-time registration fee na $149 to access the entire program, and that's also cover the cost of the website, the training, and automated system. Sabi ko nga kanina, they are the 3 essential tools na kakailanganin nila to start and grow their online digital business. Then from there, they will have a strategy call or coaching call with one of the trained coach who will guide them in setting up their own online business. Dito din i-discuss ang details ng magkano at paano ang kitaan. Super ganda at unique na compensation plan. Personally, i-discuss din ito ni experienced coach sa customer. Pagkatapos doon ka na kikita. Yung customer na nag-sign up sa website mo at kinausap ng experienced coach, take note, hindi ikaw ang kumausap ha. Kapag yon ay nag-agree to set up your own business, babayaran ka na ni company. So, sino si company na magbabayad sa'yo? Yung affiliate company natin. Kung saan naman manggagaling ang ibabayad sa iyo ni company, manggagaling yan sa product na binili ni customer. Kasi nga, part ng pag-set up ng business nila is to avail product or products. It could be between 1 or 4 products. Pero hindi mo na problemahin yon. Yung mga experienced coach na ang bahala mag-close ng deal or sales for you. So now, ang worry mo nako, bibili naman kaya sila? The answer is big, massive yes. Kasi po, ito po ay mga essential health and wellness product na ginagamit natin araw-araw. Dahil maraming tao na very health conscious ngayon, kaya talaga mag-a-avail sila sa mga products natin. So, huwag mo na problemahin yun kasi ang mga experienced coach na ang bahala at ang ating powerful automated system. Ngayon, napanood nila ang business strategy video kung saan ipinaliwanag ang compensation plan at iba-iba pang strategy to start their business. At kung magbagong isip nila within 30 days, okay lang yan. I-refund ang binayaran nilang $149. Kaya walang talo si customer. Ang galing, di ba? May 30 days money back guarantee po. Actually, isa ito sa nagustuhan ko sa business na to nung nagsisimula ako. Hindi ako kinabahan mag-register at magbayad kasi nga, refundable naman kung magbagong isip ko. Wala pong pilitan. So, in summary, your main rule as a business owner, dalawa lang po yan. Rule number 1, marketing at advertising. Kailangan mo lang po i-promote ang business na to sa social media to attract people who want to work online. Marami yan. Buong mundo ang market mo kasi nga marami ng taong gusto mag-work online, magkaroon ng online business, pero hindi nila alam kung saan at paano magsimula. Magpo-post ka lang. Hindi ba't ginagawa mo na yan ngayon? O bakit hindi mo na lang pagkakitaan, di ba? Lahat ay yan ituturo namin sa'yo sa training. Rule number 2 is mentoring your new business owner. Huwag kang kabahan sa word na mentoring. You just need to help the new business owner to get started. By how? By connecting them to our training system. Lilinawin ko lang ha, hindi po ikaw ang magte-train. Kasi nga may training site po tayo na accessible siya 24/7. Kasi po recorded ang videos. Plus, they will have their own mentor at coach. Plus, my entire community to help and mentor those new business or partners of yours. Hindi ka mag-iisa dito. Magtutulungan tayo. O, di ba ang galing? In short, kung busy ka na tao at sobra kang humahataw sa trabaho, in fact, pagod ka na sa masakit na lahat ng part ng katawan mo sa kaka-overtime, hindi ka din magaling sa technology, perfect talaga ang business na to for you. Kasi nga, 10% lang ang work na gagawin mo at 90% is done for you by automated system at experienced coach. Now na naiintindihan mo na kung ano po ang business na to, paano mag-work, at ano ang rule mo bilang business owner. Ang next step po is to register and pay the one-time refundable fee na $149. Pwede mo gamitin po dito ang inyong credit card o debit card. Tulad ng sinabi ko, this also cover the 3 essential tools na kakailangan mo to run your business, which is your website, your training, at automated system na gagawa na ng 90% job for you. And remember, kung i-avail mo ito sa iba, it will cost you more or less $22,000 per year. For dito sa program natin, $149 USD lang at one-time payment po ito, hindi po ito subscription. After mo mag-register, bibigyan ka ng access to watch the 2 hours business strategy videos. Dito, lahat ng tanong mo ay masasagot. 99% of your question will be answered here. Malalaman mo din kung magkano ang investment cost at financing options sa'yo. Nako, very helpful kasi nagamit ko din yon when I started kasi nga wala din po akong ipon. Dito mo din malalaman paano at gaano kalaki ang pwede mong kitain. At kung sakali magbago ang isip mo, within 30 days before your coaching call, we will refund your money. So, no question asked. So, kung ready ka na, mag-register ka na or i-message mo lang ang mentor mo or the person who give you this video para mabigay sa'yo ang secure link to pay. Okay? So, hope to see you inside mga kabayan. God bless!